What's going on, people? So I did install a new front lip on the car. I apologize for it being a little dark or if there's any wind noise picking up. So this front lip was actually meant for a Subaru WRX, and it was about 3 inches too wide. So I'm gonna cut to the filming clip that I have and show you how I was able to kind of manipulate the plastic and heat it up, put some relief cuts in it to reshape it to fit this car, because there's no selection for a front lip for a Caliber SRT. Alright, let's cut to the clip. So you see how that fits? It doesn't. Like, it's hitting the tire, it's too wide. But one thing I learned when I was a kid, melting all of my G.I. Joes, is that you can pretty much make plastic do anything you want. So I took it from this piece that doesn't fit and molded and squeezed and played until it looks like that. You can see I gotta cut this back and I'm gonna be basically flush. So for right now, just to get into it, we're just gonna cut some off. Now, got a little bit of room to work with. So take a look at the angle of your stuff, and then we're gonna put some relief cuts. So, one, you don't want your cut to be exposed, but two, this line right here, even if it wasn't gonna be exposed, you don't want to go past that, because then you'll get, like, I want this in the end to be rounded just like this. If I were to cut it all the way up to it, there would be pivot points. You know, a lot more expansions, cuts. Don't just make one slice, because then it doesn't have anywhere to move. So if you make a slice here, come over a little bit, like I'm doing, and make another one. First thing, that is where it's gonna be. So she's good and warm before she cools down. I'm gonna get one screw anywhere. The rest is pretty much self-explanatory. I filled up the bottom with a 3/4 inch metal framing screw, machine gun Kelly all the way across. And then the next day, I put the red pinstripe on to kind of match the rest of the theme of the car. I made these side skirt diffusers out of a tow truck bed. You never know what you might be able to use around you to make your car that much better. I just want to take a second and genuinely thank all the subscribers that I have that do tune in and watch, and especially when you guys comment or like the video. please take a second, smash that like button, hit the subscribe if you haven't already, and remember, until tomorrow, keep it custom.
Turn up. Let's go.